Hi guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing another unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the Dollhouse collection. This is the number 33. But before we get into this, guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And while you're motoring around down there, make sure to hit the bell as well. So that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, guys, if you like this collection, if you like dollhouses, make sure to leave a like down below. And also, guys, if you haven't yet, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called CosasParaTener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. So make sure to go on over and subscribe to him. I will have his links not only down in the description below, but also in the end cards. And well, guys, let's go. Let's get into this. Okay guys, so we have everything out of the initial plastic, and now it's time to check out the magazine. Up at the top we have the title of the collection, Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse in the Victorian Style, and down below it says enjoy this elegant and spectacular home of your dreams. And guys, this is the number 33. If you are interested in seeing the previous 32, all you have to do is check out the playlist in the end cards. And guys, we have the house, how it will look once we have it completed. And of course, guys, this collection is from Salvat, which is the same company that makes the Marvel figures, which I unbox. So if you're interested in seeing that, all you have to do is check out the playlist in my channel. And here it says, a dollhouse lit up. In this collection, they're going to, I think, show us how to wire up the house so that it will light up. That is going to be so incredibly cool. But at the same time, I'm a little bit nervous about it because I've never done any electrical work ever in my life. So yeah, I'm a bit nervous about that. But well, it'll look really cool, hopefully. And here it shows you how to make a hat box. It gives you all of the materials and the tools you'll need to make it. And then it walks you through step by step in how to make it. And guys, as I say in all of the unboxings I do from this collection, once we have all of the dollhouse pieces together, I will walk you through how to do each of these dollhouse projects, and we will build the dollhouse together, guys. So make sure to stay tuned for that. And there you have it. And here it talks about, it gives a little biography about Xian Paquin. I'm sorry if I butchered that name. Very cool. And well guys, now it's time to check out our new addition to the dollhouse. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Guys, so now it's time to have an up-close look at our new doll mirror. I'm just gonna pick it up here, and boom, there it is. It looks really cool. As you guys can see, it's a real mirror. It's really cool, and it has this like really nice engraving here at the top. Looks really cool. What do you think, hun?
Yeah, I like it. It's very cool.
And I'm going to show you guys the back. It's just plain. So we can glue it to our dollhouse once we have it completed. And well guys, I'm going to put this back down here on the table. And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit that bell as well, so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called CosasParaTener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff guys, so make sure to go on over and subscribe to him. I will have his links not only down in the description below, but also in the cards. And well guys, I will see you later. Have a great day. Bye-bye.